what does GoalSeek mean? The definition of GoalSeek is, say you know the result you want from a formula. Let's say you know the result that will come from a formula, like a plus b equal to c. So 10 plus x equal to 40. So now if you want to know what x is, in this case x is 30. So this is just a simple example which I am giving. In case of complex formulas, if you know the output, and if you want to know one of the inputs which will actually result in the output which you know, in that case you can use GoalSeek. This is the definition of GoalSeek. So we'll see an example and understand GoalSeek better. Let's say there's a student named Rohan. He has written 4 exams now. He has written 4 exams, and he has got the results of those 4 exams. Let's say he has written English exam, and he's got 85 marks. He has written language exam, and he's got 60 marks in that. And he's written maths exam, and he's got 70 marks in that. And he's got and he has written science exam, and he's got 80 marks in that. Okay, now Rohan's ambition is to get in percentage of 80. So so what he did was, he has one exam left. He has social exam left. So since his ambition is to get 80%, he wanted to know how much marks he needs to get in social science exam, so that his percentage will become 80. So what he does is, so the formula for finding average is average of 5 columns. Okay, so right now since he hasn't got any marks in social exam, the average is coming up to 73.75. Now let's say since he hasn't got any marks in social yet, he is yet to write social exam, so his average has gone down to 59. So he's thinking how much marks should he get in social science in order to get a percentage of 80. So this is our result. This is our percentage cell. So as I told you earlier, GoalSeek, in this case the output is percentage. We know how much output we want, that is 80. So what we are going to do is, we're going to do GoalSeek here. So how to do GoalSeek in Excel? There's something called what if analysis. Go to what if analysis and click on GoalSeek. So we want to change the cell. You have to set the cell, which cell, E18 to 80%. 80. You want to get 80% by changing the cell. By changing the cell, social science, E16. So how much? So the resultant cell should be 80, and by changing the cell E16, which is social science. So let's see what happens. We click on OK. So see the result which we have got. So in order to get 80%, he has to get 105 marks in social science, which is not possible because the maximum mark which a student can get is 100. So he realized that his ambition of getting 80% is not possible now. So what he does is, he's going to he thinks that since he's not able to get 80%, he thinks at least he needs to get 75%, so that he'll feel happy. So he's changing the value to 75 now. He's thinking how much he should get so that his percentage will become 75. Let's see how much he needs to get in social science so that his percentage will become 80. So it's 75. Okay, so in order to get 75 percentage, Rowan has to score 80 in social science. So which he thinks is a possibility because he has scored 80 in science. So by doing GoalSeek, Rohan is able to find how much he needs to get in social science. So that is result, which is the percentage will be 80. So this is one of the simplest application of GoalSeek function. So likewise, you can use GoalSeek function uh, for various applications like finding IRR of investment and many other financial applications. We'll talk about all those complex applications in our future videos. Thanks.